Alright guys, what's up? This is Josh, the DIY car guy, coming to you with another DIY do-it-yourself video. If you've got an N55 engine, this video is for you. So as you can see here, one of the things I was doing today is I'm changing the pulley for this vehicle. This is a pulley that's called the tensioner pulley. The reason I did that is because I was getting an intermittent whine here and there, and I thought it was the idler pulley, but once I took off the serpentine belt and I inspected it, I figured out that it was actually a tensioner pulley. Now, one way that you can find out which pulley it is once the belt is off is you can kind of wiggle the pulley. As you can hear, this one's got a little bit of play. Now look at the new one. The new one has no play. So the other one, the idler pulley, was fine. It had no play. The other thing you can do is you can spin it lightly, and you see how much it's spinning. Take note of that, and then try to listen for a whine. You can't hear the whine too much, but you can see it's still spinning. And look at the new one. Let's see how much that spins. This one here doesn't really spin at all. So you know the bearings in this one are going bad. Now, it wasn't whining all the time. Here and there it would do it, but preventive maintenance, do it before it's too late. If this thing goes bad on you and the serpentine belt breaks or rips, you can get into a lot of trouble. So if you hear a little bit of whine, inspect your pulleys. In this case, this is the one that was giving us the problem. Now, a couple of tips and tricks that I want to share with you that I didn't know. One thing is, this takes a T60 to take it out, and so it goes right in here. This is to release the belt. Once you put it in here, the space is so limited because the fan is literally about 1/4 of an inch away. You cannot put your socket in there. And so what I did is I grabbed a wrench and I went ahead and I put it in there, and then I put the T60 in there so I could release the belt, and that allowed me to create some tension and release the belt so that I could take it off. And so that's one trick that I wanted to show you guys. I know it's going to make your life easier. I'm not going to do a video on the whole install, but these are just some of the tips and tricks that I thought would be helpful for you. If you liked the video, if you found it useful, or if you have any questions about the install process, like I said, I'm not an expert, I'm a DIYer, but I am able to do it, so shoot me a question and I'll definitely answer. This is Josh, DIY car guy, signing out. Like and subscribe.